Do you want to have a contest?
Yes.
Our couches for
You have Mountain Dew right next to you.
Your turn.
You're up.
We're having a contest!
Oh, you didn't see mine anymore.
You better hurry, mine's coming.
Oh, it's gonna be a good one.
Well, try it again.
Pathetic.
All of that stuff.
Do your ABCs, Morgan.
Okay, here we go.
I kid you not, I was there when she learned how to burp. Worst thing ever, she couldn't stop.
T. That is super impressive.
Okay, go. Seriously.
No, I can't. I literally. That was the last little bit I had.
Wear it on.
Hey, how's it going?
Give him a minute. That's good. Okay. Okay.
Oh, man. That felt good. Dang. I wish I could do it on camera like that. I'd be like.
He can't retire yet.
He was.
I feel like I gave this
Sick, yeah.
How about
We offered another offer. Would go,
Just guzzle the whole thing down.
No, he's got some for later.
He purchased a house, closed on the house, and
Doug's famous cinnamon rolls.
in fact, he worked for the government. Yeah, he worked for
There, I can feel it.
Yeah, right.
I don't know if that's coming up.
He closed on a house in Las Vegas.
No pressure.
We're in Green Valley, it's south of Tucson, about 20 miles.
And they predate me.
your best friend for a long time?
Okay.
She said, I know who you gotta meet. You're just gonna love her. You got so much in common.
Having a contest!
It's crazy that she doesn't need something to drink to do it.
I'm like.